Hello students, in this video we will discuss about constructions. These are the geometrical constructions. This chapter of the class 9 maths NCERT. In this chapter, that means in the constructions, in the 9th class there are some special constructions are given. I like construction of angle, construction of bisector of any given angle, construction of perpendicular of any line, construction of any quadrilateral, construction of triangles. There are many type of construction is given here. Now we will take one by one and try to understand how to do construction of any geometrical figures. Now we will take first construction of angle bisectors of given angle. That means if any angle is given, suppose this is a angle, this is angle A, B and C, this is the angle, and if you want to bisect this angle, bisect means divide it into two equal parts, then how to do construction or how to divide it into two parts without measurement. For this, we should be required your compass, scale, pencil, rubber, etc. Now here first take your compass and cut an arc from B as like this with any radius. Every student can take various radius and measure or take the distance in the compass more than half of length of this arc, more than half of, I like this, more than half of, and cut another arc from this point outside of this arc and with the same radius cut from this point, I like this, and join B to this intersection point of both arcs. Suppose this is the BP line. Since BP line will be angle bisector of given angle ABC, and each angle, that means angle ABP here, angle ABP equal to angle CBP, and we can say that BP is the angle bisector of angle ABC. But in this construction, we should be justify your construction is correct. That means you should be prove that this angle and this angle is equal. Now how to prove it? For this, suppose this point represented by Q, this point is R and this point is S. Now join R to Q and S to Q, I like this. Now here you can say that there are two triangles I found. First angle is BRQ and second angle is BSQ. Since this is the justification of your construction, since BR and BS, BR equal to BS, what is the reason? Reason that these are cut by a cut from B, so BR and BS both will be equal. That means by construction. And RQ and SQ, RQ equal to SQ, reason that both are cut from R and S with same radius. So this will be also equal by construction. Now we will take in triangle BRQ and triangle BSQ, BR equal to BS, already have discussed here by construction. RQ equal to SQ, this is also discussed here by construction, and QB equal to QB, this is the common, you can see here, common. Now you can see simply BR equal to BS, RQ equal to SQ and QB equal to QB, this is the common. All sides of triangle BRQ is equal to the corresponding sides of triangle BSQ. Therefore, by triple S congruency, triangle BRQ is congruent triangle BSQ. Therefore, if both triangles are congruent, therefore corresponding angles will be equal. That means angle 1 equal to angle 2, angle 1 equal to angle 2. Reason that by CPCT, that means corresponding part of congruent triangle. Since angle 1 is angle ABP, that is angle ABP equal to angle 2 is angle CBP, angle CBP. Thus, your justification have proved. That means you can say that what is my construction? Construction is true. That means BP line divide the angle ABC into equal part. That means what was our construction? Construction was construction of angle bisector of given lines. Now in the next video, we will take another type of construction.